Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
All of that you just saw was from the museum, which was over there. Now I'm about to walk into the actual truck stop, see what's in here.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
So that was really neat. Yeah, I've seen pictures and other videos of this place, but never been here. And I wasn't planning on coming here. And I wasn't 100% sure exactly where it was. So I saw it and just decided to pop in here. Glad I did. It's a really neat place to see the history, and then the actual truck stop has anything and everything you ever want as far as retail goes. Has a food court you saw, its own little restaurant, you know, sit down restaurant, and just everything you could want to for a truck retail wise. So, but figured I'd share it with you guys. Gonna head on down the road to my delivery here. Have another sorry about the noise. There are a couple trucks here. I have about 3.5 hours to my delivery at the Menards Distribution Center up in Shell Rock, Iowa. So I'm gonna end this video here. If you could, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Any questions, comments, email me in the description or leave a comment below. Love to hear from you. Other than that, keep them wheels turning, stay safe. We'll check you next time.